Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. And it was freezing. It's cold today. Got down to like 28 degrees in Florida. We ain't know what to do. This video for you guys today. I did the first mod to the truck. I guess it's a mod or not a mod. I'm not sure how you would classify it. But I did get the truck wrapped in a satin black 3M wrap. It also makes the truck look a lot meaner, and also kind of protect the paint a little bit. But I didn't wrap the whole truck. I left some gloss areas out, which I think kind of like accent the truck and, you know, make it look even meaner and make it look nice. So yeah, go ahead and got it wrapped. Went to Metrowrapz in Miami. They wrap all my vehicles for me. Nobody else wrapped my vehicle but Metrowrapz. Many of you guys who've been following me for a while kind of knows that I only have Metrowrapz in Miami wrap my vehicles because they do a world-class job. And also we won in 2018 Wrap Like a King, best wrap in the world on my Challenger, which was the blue variant. But again, guys, if it's not your first time, or even if your first time checking out the channel and you hadn't tapped that subscribe button down below, go ahead and take a moment and tap that subscribe button down below. Tap, 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 tap. Free 99 2022 going up. I know you guys love the new Ram, and I appreciate it. Appreciate it, all the support that you guys have shown me over the past couple of weeks with the Ram. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep the videos rolling. So I'm gonna go out, give you guys a nice walk around montage of the wrap, and I take the car back to the truck back to the dealership tomorrow as far as the radio update goes. So more to come on that. I'll know some more tomorrow about the radio. They want me to bring it in so FCA could remote into it and look to kind of see what the problem is, since they've already replaced the screen and they're gonna have to replace the brain behind the screen as well. So thank you guys for rocking with me again as usual. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the exterior of the video. Also, a bunch of guys have asked me if I'm selling my factory wheels. I'm not sure if I'm selling my factory wheels as yet. I kind of came up with the decision that I want to go with some dub ballers 24-inch. I've always wanted them, and I think I could. I'm at the point now where I could get them. But I said I've always liked the dub ballers. I know they're not new or nothing fancy, but I've always liked a nice 5-star design. All my wheels on my Challenger has been a 5-star design, and I just love 5-star wheels. I know they're not the newest, but I'm gonna go with the gloss black 24-inch dub ballers. Let me know what you guys think. They kind of look like the IROC wheels to me. I like those too, but I think these are a little bit smoother and a little bit sleeker. So enough with the talking. Let me go ahead and show you guys not the video, but let me go ahead and show you guys the truck.
There's something in the air.
Yep, so there's the exterior of it. I said satin black by 3M. I washed it yesterday, but it's pollen season already, so it got a little dust of pollen on it, and it's too cold to try and wipe it down. I'd probably lose my fingers, but hope you guys like it. I love it. More to come on that. I said I think I'm gonna go with the dub ballers. But yeah, and again, guys, definitely thanks for checking out the channel, checking out the videos. Definitely tap that subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it was a good job to leave some of the areas gloss black, and does it look meaner? It looks meaner to me, especially with the sport hood. And again, guys, thanks for watching the video. Until the next one, peace.